The interest in cryptocurrency has a strong focus on one area: price. How much does it cost? Will the price rise? Should you go long? Is a cryptocurrency worth investment? But that ignores another important facet of a cryptocurrency: how fast are transactions? Moreover, how many transactions can the network handle? Oh, and is it scalable? Hello, crypto people. Welcome to CryptoMates. We create videos about price predictions, news, and technical and fundamental analysis of cryptocurrencies. So make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any important update. Today, we're going to discuss about top 5 cryptocurrencies with fast transaction speeds. So without further ado, let's dive into it. Number 1. EOS. EOS is a blockchain-based decentralized platform that enables the execution of decentralized applications. After its launch in 2018, this crypto was swiftly nicknamed Ethereum Killer for its processing speed. It processes at 1.5 seconds and has a network capacity of 3,000 transactions per second. The EOS protocol aims to eliminate transaction fees entirely and promote scalability. The network also features dApps infrastructure and is currently one of the trending digital tokens on the market. Number 2. Stellar Lumens. This decentralized blockchain currency is very similar to the Ripple token because it is a hard fork of the XRP protocol. Developed as a platform for connecting banks, payment systems, and people, this open-source platform has a transaction speed of 5 seconds per transaction at extremely low costs. Number 3. XRP. XRP processes over 1,500 transactions per second, which is almost 7 times faster than international e-wallets like PayPal. The average speed of transaction is 4 seconds, and this fast processing time is accompanied by payment fees at just a fraction of a cent. Through an interledger protocol, XRP facilitates cross-border financial payments and remittance issues. Number 4. NEO. NEO is an open-source blockchain-based platform founded in 2014. It's a platform that supports its own cryptocurrency and enables the development and management of digital assets and smart contracts with the eventual aim of building a distributed network-based smart money system. Considering the platform's scalability and its potential, it's believed that by the year 2023, this digital currency will be one of the most widely used cryptocurrencies and might reach as high as $437 by the end of 2023. NEO can process 1,000 transactions per second with an average confirmation time of 15 seconds. Number 5. NEM. NEM is a popular smart asset blockchain. Built with scalability in mind, the NEM blockchain can process up to 4,000 transactions per second. The platform is also very welcoming for new developers to create dApps on, especially those without any development experience. NEM suffered an unfortunate setback in January 2018 when 500 million tokens were stolen from the CoinCheck exchange. The breach, which is one of the largest cryptocurrency hacks, saw the value of NEM drop more than 20%. As more industries show a growing interest in crypto payments, the need for the fastest and most advanced cryptocurrency will only increase. Various government and commercial sectors are already implementing crypto payments, and the benefits of faster transaction speeds can be seen in travel agencies, shipping and transport, real estate, the online gaming industry, and other industries leading the cryptocurrency rally. More scope means more investment, and for a currency that thrives on demand, more investment will translate to more growth. So that's it for today, guys. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.